Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you on how to check recently watched reels on Instagram. So to do this, just open your Instagram application and then tap on the reels icon. Here, in order to rewatch the video after a week or after how many days, you just have to click on the like icon. Okay, this the heart icon I mean. So after refreshing that video will disappear and you don't know how to find that, okay? But since you have liked the video, so you just have to tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on your three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen, then click on your activity. Okay, and then tap on the interactions icon and then click on likes under the interactions. And then here you can see the video that you just have watched and lost it after refreshing the feed. It is because you have liked the video, so that's how you can rewatch the video after losing it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.